Off you go.
How do we give birth to brilliant ideas, to inspirations for creating solutions to our business problems? This is a fascinating philosophical question, and you all love philosophy, about the origin of ideas in the human mind. Now, it was asked in the 1950s. Professor John Arnold, a professor of mechanical engineering at Stanford University, asked precisely this question in the 1950s, working with psychologists and architects. The answer to this question, his answer, resulted in the birth of the disciplines of design thinking and creative engineering. So there's a fascinating history there. So at one extreme, we can try and create solutions ourselves. At the other extreme, we can pay a design company like IDEO vast sums of money. Now, IDEO, I-D-E-O, was one of the first to adapt design thinking for business. So there's a gap in the marketplace for firstly, defining problems, and secondly, creating solutions to them. Ingenuity, I-N-G-E-N-U-I-T-Y, through philosophy, fills that gap between floundering without a formula and paying a design company by helping you learn and apply the processes of design thinking yourselves. So, first point. One of IDEO's first problems was to create a computer navigation device for Apple that was cheaper and more reliable than any other on the market. They sort of became famous in 1980 when they created the first computer mouse that was both usable and manufacturable. Second point, fast forward 30 years, in 2009, American News made a video of the processes of design thinking used by IDEO to create an innovative shopping cart. Now, IDEO's overarching philosophy of design is enlightened trial and error by a team of experts succeeds over the plannings of a lone genius. Now, first, a team of around 12 experts, maybe something out of the Bible and the 12 apostles, a team of around 12 experts analysed the current design of shopping carts. They looked at what features had to be kept. For instance, safety was paramount. Then they looked at what the people who made, used and repaired shopping carts. Now, this is a really critical feature and aspect of design thinking. It's central to driving the process of defining the problem. Some other key mantras for innovation that IDEO uses are one conversation at a time and focus on the topic. Secondly, sketch out your ideas on picture boards and explain them to the whole team. Thirdly, encourage wild ideas and defer judgment on them, but of course set a time limit. And finally, discuss and build on the ideas of others. So they're just a few simple parts of the recipe. So third point, the head design team reviewed the results of the idea generation. They allocated 4 teams to work on 4 specific need areas and then built 4 different prototypes. Finally, they synthesized the 4 prototypes into one. So you can see the results of I think I've sent this link previously, and you can see the results of the experiment on YouTube. This in 2009. So, in conclusion, you too can give birth to brilliant ideas, to inspirations for creating solutions to your problems. Knowledge is power. Knowledge about the processes of design thinking can help you solve your business problems more effectively.
Well done, Richard. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And that's for 5 minutes exactly. So well done. Sorry, I didn't give you a warning bell.